Chat, guess who I saw in May Pen today? Oh my god.
Brightest girls from them behind. Okay. Yo, YouTube, we're back in the place again. Try to look like how we know over there already. I don't know. One May Pen. And the people them ask the part 2, so I've given the part 2. You see me, I say 1 TK the back of the camera. You see Instagram over here, so follow the page, duttyboiilee. My Instagram there over here, so make sure everybody subscribe, you know. Watch your style, yeah. We are going out and I see who smart and who don't. So you see me, I say, may I look out for my victim them, you know, see some booby that like them more challenging thing, you know. So we are see where them I say. Is it? Forward. Alright, so there with the 3 brightest speak to them in a May Pen. Right now, them say them ready for win 5 grand. 3 little questions. Ready?
I mean 3 questions, so I think 1 question we again.
No, sir, 3 questions and 5 grand. No?
We switch it up a bit. You see, if we answer 1 question at 15. Yeah.
Allah, we don't say.
At least get it right. Yeah. Alright, look at no $1,500.
Per question.
But if you get one wrong, you lose it all.
Deal or no deal?
Alright.
A simple question.
Alright.
So we're just going to introduce yourself first.
Yeah, guys, so my Instagram is Mika Skullduggery. And my TikTok is Betty Mill. My grandma that_.999.brit.
Safdan Panigram.
Haley. My name is Shakira Malcolm.
My name Lee.
Baba_YZ. J. Midnight Paniap.
I want to introduce yourself real quick.
My name is Freshie.
Would not introduce yourself?
No.
Alright, skip the introduction. Them say them too bright for that. First question.
Right.
Which word gets shorter when you add only 2 letters to it?
Shorter when you add 2 letters.
Yeah.
Yo, sir, you could come up with your own question and we come with this.
Boy, if you don't.
Which word gets shorter when you add 2 more letters to it?
Shorter. Which one gets shorter when you add 2 letters to it?
Yeah.
Shorter.
Yeah, the word gets shorter when you add 2 letters to it. Yeah.
Shut your lame ass up, nigga.
You sure?
Word get short on your 2 letters to it.
Which word gets shorter when you add 2 letters to it?
Small.
Which word gets shorter when you add 2 letters to it? You say you don't know that one there?
Yeah, bro. Come in so bright.
Cat!
What?
No. Shorter. ER. You get shorter. You add 2 letters so shorter.
You add 2 letters to shorter?
Shortest.
Yeah, you know that one there?
No.
You give up?
Yeah.
So you know say it, brother? So what you know say? I say.
What want to say the answer?
You say a short.
Him say a shorter? And that way I look for you know.
Still right.
You right-ish.
Right.
More want the right answer.
Right.
Listen again. Which word gets shorter when you add 2 letters to it?
Smaller.
Yeah, but that's not smaller. Shorter, we want to get. One more time. Which word gets shorter when you add 2 more letters to it?
Short. ER. 2 more letters to it.
I don't know that one then. You just say the answer, I know, but you don't say it good.
What's the mula?
You give up?
Yes, sir.
Which word gets shorter when you add 2 letters to it?
Turn them question I sound to watch me. Short. You add ER.
Ah, bright. So, I'm going to tell you, say the brightest girl, listen to me, pen one.
Yes.
Alright, that's correct. So, I won that today. A short of the answer.
What? The mula?
Short.
Oh, yeah, short.
Because when you add ER on short, it gets shorter.
Charter, word charter.
The word shorter. So,
Oh, money. Short. Short.
I share the bright one, you know. And you get all of them right, you know. That's correct. We do look at maths now. You good on the maths?
Yeah.
If 22 rat up on a boat and 15 rat jump out, how much left?
Wait, let me take out my pen.
Pen.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
So you don't know if it goes on.
No. Weird.
Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
If 22 rat up on a boat and 15 rat jump out, how much left?
20. Rock can't jump.
So you stay up on the maths, you know? Can't do maths neither. Simple addition, take away. Can't do that one then either.
Really, nigga?
If 22 rat there in a boat and 15 jump out, how much left?
Yo, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 22. Yeah, 7. 7.
So me here 8.
Yo, 7.
Seven.
How
much you say?
7.
18.
No.
Explain that to me, baby.
I'm going to ask you again. 22 rat up on a boat, 15 jump out, how much left?
15. 15 rat left on the boat.
Jump out.
Yeah.
19.
How you know make that sense?
Hey, y'all, come look at this. Alright, so 22 minus 15, 8.
8. Sure.
No, 7.
Okay.
I don't know, sir.
12. No.
20.
20? You sure? If 22 rat up on a boat and 15 rat jump out,
7.
how much left?
7.
20 how much?
22.
7. 22 of them, because none of them named it.
What?
Subtract 15. So, 7.
7.
Yeah. 7 still in our boat.
7 still in our boat.
I've then jump out, no 15. The 15 knows 7 rat left on the boat. 15 rat jump out, so 7 rat left on the boat.
Me I get 8, me I get 7, me I get 15.
7.
7. Final answer. You clap that.
Final answer. 7.
But me not see you do no calculation.
You don't have to do it, sir, because you don't know it, sir. 7, we say 7.
So 7. That's our final answer.
7. 7
7
left
left.
in the boat. Yes. Wait, man. Wait.
Oh, 7.
7. We now clap that in.
Yeah.
Final answer.
22 minus 15.
7. So 7 rat left. Chat on the L part chat. Remember for carry the 9. On the shore?
Wait.
It's on wrong.
Wait, one can say when I want to answer.
Yeah, if you know.
Say 22, we say 7.
So you say 22.
No, she said 20. No,
You say
sir.
22.
Me want bucket of case.
You say bucket of KFC.
Shut up your mouth, man.
If 22 rat up on a boat and 15 jump out, how much left?
22.
Natural blade. Yeah, trouble there, you go on.
Yo, me no love that question, you know. Seven.
Final answer. Hold on, yeah.
That's a zero. I want the rest of them off.
Oh!
Shut up your mouth, man.
Be sure, brother, I 7.
TK, him look sure.
I 7. 7 rat left.
You want to hear the question again?
Yes, what your question?
22 rat up on a boat. 15 rat jump out of the boat.
Yes.
How much left?
In the boat. 7 left. Oh, 15!
22.
So 22.
Yeah. Yo, him says he right now. But that's 7, me say.
That's a 7.
Them clueless. 4. Alright, the time up. That wrong. One of them wrong. Alright, it's a trick question, bro. I never ask how much left on the boat and I ask how much rat left.
No, call me $1,500.
Come like, I couldn't get it today, no, because I wouldn't have box shuffle for the answer. Them, no. I wouldn't get none right, you know. I know 7.
15?
15 are the answer.
Yeah, maybe. Oh!
Because 15 left.
Oh!
Alright, watch you now. Last one. Yeah, top speller.
Yes.
You can't spell.
Yes.
Remember, say 2 you can't already.
English bad spot.
English as your back.
Yes.
Oh, no papa color. Papa, alright, see it now. More you spell the word candy.
Candy.
But more you spell it with only 2 letters.
Candy with only 2 letters?
Yeah. You know candy like where you eat, man, sweetie? You know candy?
Candy.
You know candy? Say that means you don't know how to spell it?
I'm not sure anymore.
Candy.
CY. M&M.
That's it?
CY.
Stop it. Get some help.
Candy.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Candy with 2 letters.
Yeah.
Yeah, with 2 letters.
Candy, brother.
Can't spell it with 2 letters. Producer say 5 seconds on the clock.
5 seconds on the clock. I didn't want it. Something with just a D. Sure,
Something D. What D?
Candy.
Candy with 2 letters.
Yeah.
That's not possible?
You sure?
Yeah, it's not possible.
So you say a top, you say a bright.
Yeah, candy with 2 spellers.
Candy.
Spell candy.
C-A-N-D-Y.
Alright. Much it is C-A-N-D-Y. That's 5 letters. Alright. But more you show the versatility and spell it with 2 letters.
Can't do it, brother.
Can't do it.
So you have to catch one another time. Let me question 2.
With 2 letters. Whoa. Whoa. Candy with 2 letters. Whoa.
Producer say time up, you know.
Oh, you spell candy with 2 letters. Candy with 2 letters. Candy? Yeah.
No.
You okay, Andy?
Oh, you spell candy normally.
C-A-N-D-Y.
So where the K come from?
Oh, it's a CD.
You're done.
What answer?
C and Y.
C and Y, candy.
C and Y.
Candy.
Yeah. Alright, that wrong. That wrong.
No,
The
man.
correct answer is C and Y.
How with the CY, sir? With the CY.
You hear what I just say?
Oh, the
C and Y. Them are the brightest speaking them in a Maypen and them not get it. So I don't know. If them can't get it, nobody can get it.
We'll reach the end of the video again.
But watch a style there. Want everybody subscribe if you enjoy the video. Subscribe, give it a big thumbs up, comment on the favorite part. Want to follow me on Instagram, duttyboiilee on all platforms, TikTok, everywhere. If you don't love the video, you can join the Dirty Folk gang. That's all me I say. Which part next you know how we go? Spain Town. Me here we not call you know. We are gonna answer the phone, you see it? Spain Town, look out. Mad.
I said, I mean, I can't say when you want TK.
underscore never underscore 2 on TikTok and on the gram. Remember good name.